What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're in North Edinburgh here at Native Son. And I'm telling you, they got some of the best selections out there. So no matter what kind of treat you're looking for this Halloween, check them out because they got something perfect for your sack.